rigged over big time on the 907 Hammer Down Chew Chit. They're going through the cabinets. They're searching around. They're looking for shit. We're having a hurricane. Not yet.
Where's the cheese grater?
Oh, no, we're not doing it manually. We have special tools here in the cabinet. Yes. Tools, ladies and gentlemen, tools.
And not just the appliance.
Yes, tools to go up.
Cheese. I only go through this hole.
It does. It goes there. That's right. The horde, ladies and gentlemen, the horde. We're having fails here. There's too much shit going on! We got a Mexican chicken over here. Come on. Push. Now use the thing. Alright. A mountain of cheese, just like that. A mountain. Oh, we got the horde going on. Yeah.
Stop it.
You want a spoon for the rest? Or the rubber spatulatory over there? No, just put it away. Put it away. Who needs that sauce? No, we don't need.
Drop it.
Spit it out. Spit it out. Drop it.
Where'd my spoon go?
Liz is drinking beer. Holy shit.
Like it.
Of sentimental value.
Wait.